Hello friends, welcome to the session. In last session, we learned about conditional rendering, and in this session we will learn about rendering arrays in the React. So how can we render array? So let's see. So rather than making a state, I will simply make a I will remove it for now, and I will simply make a const whose name is arr, and I will write here few names. One is John, another is Mike, another is James, Thomas. So, this cons is not required. So I made some variable inside this class, and this login and logout is no longer required. So what I need to do is I have one unordered list with list items, right? How many list items? How many that are in array? So I want to render one by one each of these inside list item. So to do that, what can we do is we use something called higher order array function in JavaScript, and that is we can directly write arr this dot arr dot, and there is a function called map. So in next video what this map does, we will go into detail. So for now just understand that this map converts this array, this string array, into the JSX component. So how does it do? In next video we will look into that. So inside this item, what this map does is it iterate over this array and gives us each and every item one by one. So we will return here. What we will return here? We will return li with that item. So now it should render this John, Mike, James, Thomas in our view. So let's see that. So here is John, Mike, James, Thomas as expected. But let's see the console. So there is some warning in the console. It is saying that each child in the list should have unique key prop. So what is key prop? So let's first give the key prop to this list item. It needs some key prop. Unique key prop means I cannot give it same. Like if I give here 3, and if I see, then here is encounter two children with same key 3. That means we cannot give it the same. So inside this item I can grab index as well. Index will be 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So these are different with each other. So in key, if I give them index, so what happened is our warning is gone. But this index giving inside the key is not recommended method. Why we need to give key inside this array rendering is because when one item of the array gets changed, React listen it through key prop, and it don't render other items. It only render the changed item. So we need to give unique key to each and every item. But what happened is if we give index here, and if we delete certain index, then the index won't get changed in that position, but it will change in last position because last position get removed. So for now let's just understand that we normally don't give index inside this key value. And if we don't give index, then what we give here is normally we render the list coming from the backend API, and in backend APIs we have unique database identities for the element. So we use that database identities in key value. So for now just understand that, and this is what we call rendering arrays and key prop. So that's all for this session, and in next session we will deep dive into this map function, and we will see how it make our string items into JSX component. So thank you for watching.